Imagine this, you've got a fantastic outfit, flawless makeup, and killer heels to rock your style. But, oh no, disaster strikes, your feet slip out of those fabulous heels. Don't worry, today I will reveal the secret tips on how to stop your feet from slipping out from your heels. Stay tuned because I am going to show you where to get these products at a cheaper rate. Let's begin. Right size. The first step to preventing heel slippage is choosing the perfect size. Remember, not too tight, not too loose. Just the perfect fit for maximum comfort and a secure grip. Proper heel fit. Now, ladies, let's talk about the importance of a proper heel fit. Look for heels that match the length and width of your foot, providing good arch support and a secure heel cup. A well-fitted heel will work wonders in preventing any slipping mishaps. Non-slip soles for traction. Let's talk soles. Opt for heels with rubber or textured soles to improve traction and avoid any embarrassing slips. These non-slip soles will give you the secure grip you need on any surface. Toe pads for ultimate comfort. Toe pads. These soft inserts are a game changer. Not only do they protect your toes from slipping out, but they also reduce pain and keep your tootsies aligned while you're rocking those heels. You can choose from gel, silicone, foam, or fabric options, whatever floats your boat. Keep your feet dry. A little pro tip, ladies, moisture and heels don't mix. Make sure your feet are dry before slipping into those heels. Moisture can lead to instability and discomfort, so keep them dry for a confident stride. Hairspray trick. For a temporary yet effective solution, try the hairspray trick. Spray some hairspray on your feet before putting on your shoes. It will create a sticky surface that prevents your feet from sliding forward. It's great for a few hours of wear, so keep a small can handy if you'll be out longer. Heel fillers. Another excellent option for preventing heel slippage is using heel fillers. These padded pieces fit snugly into the toe box of your heels, providing extra support and preventing your foot from sliding forward. Note that these won't work with open-toe heels, though. Double-sided shoe tape. Double-sided shoe. Need a quick fix? Simply cut a piece of tape and stick it to the back of your heel, making sure that it covers an area large enough to provide traction. Then, put on your shoes as usual, and voila! You have successfully fixed the problem. All you have to do now is replace the tape once it starts wearing off or exposed to moisture. Tighten laces. Securely tie the laces of your heels for a snug fit, preventing slipping. Keeping the laces tight ensures stability, reducing the risk of your feet sliding out, and enhancing your comfort while walking. Ankle straps. To prevent feet from slipping out of heels, adjust the strap snugly around the ankle without over-tightening, and ensure the buckle is positioned correctly. Choose properly fitted heels, consider using heel grips or inserts, and practice walking to ensure stability. Sprinkle talcum powder. Lastly, to tackle sweat-induced slippage, sprinkle some talcum powder into your shoes before putting them on. The talc will absorb moisture, helping to keep your feet dry and improve overall comfort. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more heel tips. And let me know in the comment section how was your first try with any of these tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.